911, where's your emergency?
705 South New Road. Shots have been fired. The guy has a gun in my store.
705 South New Road.
This video contains the footage of several police body cameras during a standoff with an armed man at a Dollar General. Police received a call from an employee at Dollar General claiming there was a man trying to steal cars by climbing into them to drive away. The owner of one of the vehicles pulled him out, and the situation took a downhill turn. The next call by the employee is frantic. Jalial Whitted is in the store, and he has a gun. Although the store has been evacuated, Whitted still poses a potential threat.
Yes, I just called you.
How many shots? Has anybody been injured?
Nobody's injured. We all ran. He's still in the store.
He's in the store?
Yes. I need officers here now.
They're on the way. Has anybody been injured?
No.
Can everybody get out?
Everybody got out.
Ma'am?
Yeah.
She said they're saying 705, but that's not in my CAD. I have 600 South.
705 South New Road. It's Absecon.
You're in Absecon?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Stay on the phone. Let me transfer you to Absecon.
The last thing this woman wants to hear is that her call is being transferred. She is terrified and feels helpless, and it isn't reassuring to think that help is being delayed just because the wrong officers might be sent to her location.
Oh, that's right.
Ma'am?
Stay on the phone. Stay on the phone.
There's customers going to building. Oh, my God, you're coming.
Ma'am, Absecon, this is your Dollar General. Shots have been fired inside for a male trying to steal cars. He's inside. Talk to the dispatcher.
I need officers here now. Now, please.
705 South New Road. Yes, Absecon. 911, where's your emergency?
Hi, there's an 705 South New Road. I have a guy that's trying to steal cars, and he's coming back in the store. He just tried to steal a customer's car.
705 South New Road?
South New Road, yeah.
And what, is there a business?
It's a Dollar General.
Okay. And
he's standing, I don't know.
How is he trying to steal their cars?
He just jumped in their car. We had the owner ripped him out, and now he's standing in front of my building with his hands up. I don't know. He's not mentally stable, I would assume, but he literally just jumped in his car and tried to steal it.
What's he look like?
He's a black male wearing all black. He has braids in his hair. He's about 6 foot. I'm on the phone with the cops.
And he tried to jump in someone's car?
Yeah, the guy is still right here. Yeah, he jumped in the car. The guy ripped him out of his car. Absolutely did. I have it on camera. And he's like, he's scaring everybody.
What's your name?
Lori.
Okay. All right, is this your phone number?
Yes, it is. Yes.
All right. They're on their way. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
They're on their way.
Anybody at the store? Step out. Anybody shot? Anybody was shooting? Anybody was shooting here?
What's your status?
Put your hands up. One at gunpoint. Keep your hands up. Shoot. Keep your hands up.
One in custody, 938. Said one at gunpoint.
Keep your hands up.
Sorry, one at gunpoint, 938.
Looks like a fake gun in his pocket. It's going to be Jalial Whitted. Have him at gunpoint now. Stop. Shoot.
The officers have arrived on the scene, where they find Whitted still in the store. He keeps his hands up, but continues to approach the officer. Instead of standing his ground, as is typical, the officer backs up as he repeatedly tells the man to stop.
Stop! Shoot! Stop! Shoot. Stop!
Turn around, brother, please.
Stop!
Please turn around, please. Please. Yeah, I got. Listen. Whoever behind me, close on
Stop!
you
Turn around.
in California.
Stop!
Please stop.
Stop!
2 5 behind you.
Stop!
Next vehicle, close it off. Next vehicle.
Stop!
Close it off.
Stop!
Sir, we do not want to shoot you. Get those cars out of there and don't be in a line of fire.
Right here, this brick wall.
No cars.
Got it.
Stop.
Stop! 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 Stop!
Do not reach. Stop. You don't want to do this.
Don't reach!
Do not reach.
No!
Do not reach.
Don't reach!
Sir, just get down to the ground. Drop to your knees.
Stop!
Drop
Stop!
to your knees. Do not reach. Sir, do not reach. Do not reach. Just on the ground.
Both officers yell for Whitted not to reach for his weapon. Whitted has shown signs of instability and has also told the officers to shoot. There is an increasing possibility that Whitted will try to shoot himself or one of the officers.
Please. Sir, listen. It's not worth it. It's not. Just get down. Just drop to your knees. Just drop to your knees, sir, please. No, please, we don't want to do it. We don't want to do that. We don't want to do
Don't stop! Stop! Please!
Please! No. We don't want to do that. We don't want to do that. Okay, you gonna drop the phone? No.
No! Stop!
No, please. Stop.
Please stop! Stop! Please! All right.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay.
Good. That's a good spot.
Go.
You already close. I got his hands. Weapons in the right pocket. Stop!
Pleading has failed, and unfortunately, Whitted cannot be reasoned with. Shots are fired, and Whitted goes down.
Stop!
Shot fired. It's on the floor. It's on the floor. Shot fired.
Stop!
It's on the floor.
Don't reach!
Stop. Just turn around, brother, please. Please, turn around, please. Please. Yeah, listen, I'm here with you. Just turn around for us. Just turn around for us, sir, please. Please, stop. Please. Just turn around. Just stop. No, we don't want to shoot you. Stop. Please, we do not want to shoot you. We do not want to shoot you. Back up a little bit, brother. Back up. Sir, we do not want to shoot you. Let's get a good backdrop. Right here in this brick wall. Good backdrop. Sir, stop. Please, stop. Sir, stop. Get on the ground. Stop. Sir, stop it. Do not reach. Stop. You don't want to do this. Do not reach.
The perspective is switched to the footage from the other officer's camera, which has a better line of sight to Whitted. As both officers yell, it is clear that they don't want to have to resort to using their weapons.
Do not reach. Sir, just get down to the ground. Drop to your knees. Do not reach. Sir, do not reach. Just on the ground. Please. Sir, listen. It's not worth it. It's not. Just get down. Just drop to your knees. Sir, please. No, please, we don't want to do it. We don't want to do that. We don't want to do that. Stop. Please stop. Please. No. We don't want to do that. Okay, you going to drop the phone? No. Stop. No, please. Stop. Please. Stop. Okay, good. That's a good spot. Gotcha. You already close. I got his hands. Weapons in the right pocket. It's in his right pocket. Stop.
Every attempt was made to get Whitted to stand down, but he continued to reach for his weapon.
Gun's on the floor! The gun's on the floor, Cat! The gun's on the floor! The gun's on the floor! Don't reach! Don't reach! No, he's not reaching! He's not reaching! He's not reaching! Get on your stomach! On your stomach! Cat! Turn around! I'm moving up! I'm moving up! My man, get on the ground! Get on the ground! Don't reach! It's not working. It's not.
Bruno, get some cover.
Bruno, get in cover!
Get cover. Just drop it! Come on, just get on the ground. Come on, Jalial. You all right? Come on, Jalial. Everything is okay, Jalial. No! Ceasefire!
The view from a third camera shows that Whitted was surrounded. He was determined to have them shoot, and he may have seen that using his own weapon was the only way to provoke that outcome.
Shots fired, shots fired.
Shots fired, 941.
Don't reach for it! No, he's not reaching. He's not reaching. He's not reaching. On your stomach. On your stomach. On your stomach.
Is that your car? Is that your car? Get in the car. Get in your car.
I'm gonna get in it. He got my phone too.
Who is that?
I don't know. I came to get.
That's your phone?
Yeah, that's my phone. I came to get tampons.
Okay, you're good. You're good.
He asked to call y'all, and he got my phone.
Drop the phone, Jalial. Drop the phone. That's not your phone. Drop it.
My man, get on the ground.
Oh my God.
All right, just
He
stay
has a
behind.
little gun in his pocket. Oh my God.
Stay right there.
Oh my God.
Bruno, get in cover now.
Back up, Maze. Back
Come on,
up.
across the street.
Stay behind the engine of the car. Don't do it, Jalial. Don't do it. Don't do it, Jalial. One person talk. One person talk. One person talk.
Footage from a fourth officer has a clear audio of him saying that only one person at a time should talk. This would have been a good choice because many people dealing with this state of mental illness can be highly nervous and have a difficult time processing what they are being told. Too many conflicting voices and words can escalate the situation. Unfortunately, the rest of the officers probably didn't hear.
Put it on the car, Jalial. Evans, back up, Evans. Evans, back up. Evans, back up. Evans, back up. Get cover, Evans. Get cover. I got him. You see his hands? See his hands? Evans, back up behind cover, Evans. Back up behind cover. Back up behind cover. Stop! 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 See, back up. Ceasefire! No!
it. Stop.
Drop the phone, Jalil. Drop the phone. That's not your phone. Drop it.
My man, get on the ground. What's on his right? On the ground. Don't reach. It's not
Right there.
It's not. Get down. Bruno, get covered now. Drop to your knees.
Back up.
You got it?
Back up. Stay behind the engine of the car.
Stop. Don't do it.
Don't do it, Jalil.
Not working, Jalil.
Don't do it, Jalil. One person talk. One person talk. One person talk.
Okay, you gonna drop the phone? Hey, shoot, I'm gonna drop the phone. No. Oh, stop.
Put it on the car, Jalil.
No, please. Jalil, please don't do it. Yo, get it. Yo, you in the line of fire. You in the line of fire. Move the line of fire. You in the line of fire.
Gotcha. Evans, back up. Hey, you move out of here, Evans. Get cover. Got him. See his hands?
You're already close. I got his head.
See his hands?
I got his head.
Evans, back up behind cover, Evans. Back up behind cover. Back up behind cover.
My man, get on the ground. Get on the ground. Don't reach.
It's not working. It's not. Get down.
Bruno, get in cover now. This side. Don't do it. Not worth it, Jalil. Jalil, please don't do it. Maze, you move out of the way. They're in front of you.
Everything is okay, Jalil.
Jalil, don't reach. Now! Stop firing!
Paramedics will need to be called in to treat Whitted, and since weapons were discharged, an investigation will have to be made. Whitted survived the shooting, although several hours of surgery were required. Jalial Whitted was indicted on charges of unlawful possession of a weapon for an unlawful purpose, and certain persons not to possess weapons. Whitted turned down a plea deal that could have meant 5 years in prison rather than the possible 10. His defense team expects another deal to be presented before his next trial, which is November 1st, 2022.